Hello guys, welcome back to the final part of our centre court tennis game. Now let's have a look where we're at. So one of the things that we've introduced are these three variables. So this is the scoring system, same as the scoring system in tennis, points, games and sets. So we have these three variables. Okay, so points, games and sets. The tick in the box indicates that they appear on the playing screen. So obviously we want the scoring system to appear. Now let's have a look at the ball. So we've introduced this bit of code here. You can see it's quite a long bit of code, and we need to understand the nature of variables, and you can see it's got several if statements going on there. So let's have a look. So initially we set points, games and sets to 0. So we're starting off with 0 for all of those. And then basically when the ball touches that green colour, so that is the green colour at the bottom of the playing area, we change points by 15. So the point will go up by 15, so it goes 15 love, 30 love, then it's 40 love. But as we can see here, the 3 times 15 is 45. So we're going to say if points equals 45, then we set it to 40. So instead of going 15, 30, 45, it will go 15, 30, 40. Okay, we wait 1 second. We always wait 1 second after we've hit the colour, because it might actually detect the colour twice if we don't actually wait 1 second every time it touches. So we don't want it to do that. Now that might not be the case. So if points equals 55, so in other words we go 15, 30, 40, and then another 15 is 55, then we set points to 0. So in other words, the points goes back and we start a new game. We change the game by 1. We wait 1 second. So in other words, we go beyond 40 love, then that means 1 game's been won, and we go back to 0. If the games are greater than 5, as we know, we get to 6 games in tennis, and that wins a set. So we change the games to 0 and the sets to 1. Again, we wait a second. And then if the sets are greater than 3, so it's basically a 3 sets to love match. If sets are greater than 2, broadcast end game. And end game basically just calls on Andy here to say you win Wimbledon for 2 seconds, and then we stop the game. So that's pretty much the code. Let's have a look at how the game plays at the moment. Green flag. You see Andy playing away. Now we can see, if I just get out of the way for a bit, we can see the points are starting to rack up there. So 40, there we go, 1 game to love. 30, 40, the next one should take us up to 2 games to love. Okay, and so on. So that is the game. Obviously the objective of the exercise is to keep that score as low as possible. You could set up a second scoring system so that it wasn't Andy's opponents that were scoring, but Andy was maybe hitting areas up here, and that was allowing him to score. So plenty to do with, in order to sort of take that game forward from here. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye.